Hello and welcome back. In today's video, we're focusing on a curse removal spell. This also works for breaking hexes and clearing harmful negative energy. I will be showing you how to perform the spell, as well as what signs to look for to know if you've been cursed or hexed. And I'll also show you how to purify your energy at the end of this video. Curses can be cast through jealousy, inherited through ancestral lineage, or formed from prolonged negativity. This spell does help release disruptive influences and restores balance and peace. If you're unsure whether a curse or hex removal spell is right for you, here are some common indicators that may suggest you're affected by baneful energy. Some signs may include persistent bad luck that doesn't seem to lift, feeling energetically drained, foggy, without a clear cause, sudden conflict or tension in your relationships, nightmares, health issues that seem to come out of nowhere, repeating patterns of misfortune, obstacles, or emotional chaos. Regardless whether you're experiencing all or any of those symptoms, I'm going to show you a simple spell where you can get that bad energy away from you and purify yourself and bring you back to balance. So make sure you grab a pen and paper to take some notes and watch this video until the end. For this spell, you're going to need 2 candles, one black and one white. The black candle is used for banishment. It helps absorb and break apart negative energy, curses, or anything that no longer serves you. Black is also known as a protective color. The white candle represents purification, healing, and spiritual clarity. It helps restore balance and call your energy back to center after the release. Together, they create a powerful balance of release and renewal. I'll also be casting a circle of salt with some Dead Sea salt around my workspace. Because salt is a powerful purifier and protector, it does help create a boundary between your energy and any outside influences. Salt circles act as a shield, keeping unwanted energies out while containing and focusing your intention within. It's especially helpful in curse removal, where strong spiritual protection is essential. In addition, I chose cotton twine in the color red because red is often used in curse breaking and unbinding rituals. For this spell, it also symbolizes the energetic cord connecting you to the curse. So by using red, we're tapping into its power to bind, draw out, and ultimately release the negative force. The twine also represents the curse itself, which you tie, concentrate, and then destroy through burning. In folk magic and traditional witchcraft, sharp objects like needles, thorns, or pins are often used in reversal or unbinding spells. So we will need a needle, which is going to be used to symbolically pierce the curse. You'll also need a bowl filled with water. We'll be adding an herbal blend and ritual oil to it, creating a purifying wash to cleanse your energy at the end of the spell. A fireproof dish for the burning portion of the spell. I'll be using my cast iron cauldron, but any heat-safe container will work just fine. A clean handheld mirror, because in spell work, mirrors are often used to reflect and redirect energy. For banishing, they help return negative forces to their source and restore energetic balance. Mirrors are also often used in uncrossing, banishment, and reversal spells to deflect malice or psychic attacks. You can use mirrors in different kinds of spell work. You'll also need a pair of charcoal tongs to hold the twine so you can safely burn it. And for this spell, I will be using a couple of my own products. This one is the Pure Magic Altar Cleansing Spray, which contains clear quartz for amplification and purification. This altar spray is especially useful because it sets the tone for your spiritual work, cleansing the altar space energetically, clearing away lingering vibrations that it may have, and preparing it for focused, intentional magic. The other product I'll be using is the Body of Light Ritual Oil, which is one of my high vibrational blends that helps attune your energy, purify the aura, and helps restore balance, supporting protection and purification. And the last thing we'll need is some herbs. I'm using rosemary and hyssop for their powerful cleansing and protective properties. Both are traditionally used to purify, break hexes, and ward off any negative energy. Now that we have everything we need, let's start off by cleansing our space. We will be setting this up on a fireproof altar plate. Let's create our circle of salt using the Dead Sea salt so that we can protect our spell against outside influence. Next, I'm warming up the bottom of the candles so that they can stick onto the altar plate. Take your bowl and fill it up with water. You can use spring water and place it in the center between the two candles. Next, cut some red twine at about 4 to 5 inches in length. Make sure it's long enough because we are going to be burning it. Tie a loose knot, focusing on the curse or the bad energy. While tying the knot, visualize or even speak aloud who or what you believe is the source. It could be a person who may have ill-willed you through jealousy, or a lingering spiritual entity or object or situation where bad luck began. As you tie it, name it mentally or verbally. For example, you can say, I bind this knot to the curse laid upon me by jealousy, by ill-wishing, by the unspoken hex. Now it's time to light the candles. You can either use my incantation or create your own. Light the black candle and repeat after me. Through shadows hold and unseen ties, I acknowledge the weight that clings to me. What was sent is no longer mine to carry. With focused will, I release it now. Take a moment to center yourself and visualize a dark mist around you. This is the unwanted energy. As you tie the thread tighter, imagine it drawing that mist in like a magnet, absorbing what doesn't belong to you. See the thread grow heavier or faintly glow, now holding the energy that you're ready to release. This visualization helps your subconscious recognize that the energy is being externalized, taken out of your field, and placed into something you can now burn and banish. Put the thread to the side and light the white candle. As you light the flame, allow yourself to feel the shift in the energy, like the room is beginning to clear and uplift. This candle represents healing, balance, and renewal. Now we're going to say the incantation for the white candle. With this flame, I invite balance. May peace return to my body, mind, and space. Let this light dissolve what no longer serves me. I welcome harmony and alignment. This is the time to gently shift your awareness inward. Focus on your intention, why you're here, what you're ready to release, and the peace you're calling back into your life. Now hold the mirror to reflect the white candle. This moment is about energetic reflection and return, not through force, but through the natural law of balance. Say this incantation: as you hold the mirror towards the white candle. By light reflected and still surface, reveal what does not belong. Through this mirror, I release all that was cast. What was sent out returns, and balance is restored. Take the knot and the needle. This represents the tool that pierces through the curse or negative energy holding you back. As you gently prick the knot, you are symbolically breaking the hold of that energy. Now carefully light the thread using the flame. As the fire consumes it, recite, "With this knot, I sever the hold of all that no longer serves me," releasing and banishing it through the power of fire. Now for the purification part of the spell. With the water already poured, I'm infusing it with rosemary and hyssop herbs, traditionally used for their potent cleansing and protective properties. I am adding some Dead Sea salt as well. And I'm also adding a few drops of my Body of Light ritual oil. This oil is a carefully crafted blend that promotes purification, balance, and protection. Now I'm anointing my wrists and hands to actively clear any stagnant energy, restore vibrational harmony, and strengthen my energetic boundaries. You can end the spell by expressing your gratitude and snuffing out the candles, or you can just let the candles burn all the way through. Thank you so much for being here and for sharing this space with me. If you found this spell helpful or insightful, please take a second to like the video. It really helps the channel and allows more people to find this kind of content. I am a new creator, so every like, comment, or share truly makes a difference. I am eternally grateful. If you have any questions or you'd like to share your experience or you just want to say hi, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. And if you feel called to, don't forget to subscribe for more spell work, rituals, and spiritual guidance. Until next time, stay grounded and stay empowered.